Today we are going to discuss about design thinking based radiation in space mechanics. First, we have to know about what is space mechanics and what are the problems we have to face during the launching vehicle to space from Earth condition. So now you have to explain or share your ideas about the principles or problems encountered in space mechanism due to the radiation in design thinking principle. Basically, design thinking means it will be having a one type of solution from our people or user or some other mechanism or some other objects, whatever it be, they have to using and what are the challenges they have to facing and giving the solution for the definition. So now you have to express or share your views about this radiation.
Under this designing concept, let me talk about the empathy. What are the problems caused due to the radiation in space? Space, we will launch, whether we launch rockets or the satellites we launch, everything has major components are electronics. Those electronic components can easily be damaged with the radiation effects of radiation. So to prevent that from the radiations, the additive layers are added on the electronic part to prevent them from getting direct traction with the radiations, especially the sensors and transistor and other components, which are very minute and they can be easily affected by the radiation.
So these are the empathy of problem from this statement. What we have to define or what we have to rectify this problem.
Yeah, I define about the radiation now. We know that radiation affect the spacecraft. Yeah, everyone will agree. Now, first of all, we want to know what is the radiation. Okay, radiation is that emission and the propagation of energy through electromagnetic waves. As we know, naturally the radiation will affect like gamma rays, alpha rays, and beta rays. Likewise, we should know that it does not require any physical medium for propagation and occur in the vacuum itself. So we want to prevent these kinds of radiation to avoid that we can escape from the destroyer of the spacecraft.
What are the ideas we have to include from that?
Not only surface. Today I am talking about generally radiation. Then I am talking about types of radiation. A lot of people are thinking about radiations might be dangerous, but not generally. Everyone already experiences in radiation everyday life. So now electromagnetic radiation, UV radiations, a lot of radiations are there. Each radiations produce some kind of energy. Some kind of radiations only affected to our human body. That's only radiation effect.
What is your point of view from this topic?
So the radiation is when an atom absorbs energy, its electron move to a higher energy level. So when the electrons return to a lower energy level, it emits energy in the form of radiation. So with this, it is used for communication by making radio, TV, mobile phones, and in medical sector, it's used for X-rays, CT scans, and solar energy and heating. Sterilization and radiotherapy is also used by radiation, with the help of radiation.
Okay. Can anyone explain about this? What is actually source of this? How to relate with the radiation?
Radiation is traveling through atoms or molecules, not conduction.
Yes. So what is that?
No physical contact is required for radiation.
Mm-hmm.
It can be spread through the wave like characteristics.
Can you summarize from this graph image?
So in this heat is generated from this flaming part, and from that high flammable high temperature waves are transferred to and this is a rod. Okay, so in this rod also will absorb the heat in the waveform. So that is what the picture is represents.
What is the relation between these two?
These are
presenting about natural frequency transferring.
So these are the radiation concept and which we have to adapt it through the space mechanics.